Welcome back to the channel. Kooky Cryptid here, and to get into another video starting out with Sons of the Forest. One thing I'd like to talk about today is a cryptid that's not as well known as I think it should be, and it's the Honey Island Swamp Monster. I don't really hear it often enough whenever I'm online looking at different types of cryptids. Not a lot of people bring it up. The Honey Island Swamp Monster is about 7 foot tall, maybe 8ish. Honey Island Swamp Monster lives and stays near a swamp in Florida, one of which, kind of worried about saying the name, St. Tammany Parish in Louisiana. Now, this is basically just another Bigfoot, essentially, weird ape type monster in the woods that's not really seen except in blurry photos and images and small stories. However, I just like it because, well, he has a nickname. Well, he's also known as Le Bête Noir, Cajun Bigfoot, which is personally my favorite. He has scales and hair, so it's, that kind of mix keeps him an interesting creature to think about. He also has, goldish amber eyes, and he's very stinky. He's a stinky boy. Stinky boy. He has other aliases, Bayou Beast, there's also the Wookiee, which I like that because, thinking Chewbacca out there vibing out in the swamp. He was originally spotted in 1963 by a retired air traffic controller by the name of Marlon Ford. Said that he eats meat, he's carnivore based, he can travel in both water and on land, which to me just makes him that much more horrifying because I'm already scared of alligators and I'm already scared of gorillas. And so the two together just would not match up well. Yeah, that's about all I have on Honey Island Swamp Monster. If you know of any other things that I didn't include, or if I mispronounced something, please let me know in the comments. I have no problem taking criticism as long as it helps me learn and more. Let's get back to the game. My buddy, my friend, bestie. Follow me. I don't know what we're doing. He's with your cackling, laughing at a guy standing there. Beans. Full deal Navarro. And I remember last time I was actually attempting to save the last member of B team. Personally, I would just run through the water, beans, whack tree to tree. Beans. What? How many times am I gonna fall on the way there? Honestly, when the people aren't chasing you and there's not people covered in face paint climbing up trees, it's a very pleasant game. Like, it's a very beautiful forest, which reminds me one of the games I'd really like to give a shout out is Firewatch. I just want an excuse to be able to get into a tower instead of in Skyrim. So I hear the beepity beeps. That means a friendo's nearby. Sick ass Tony up. I don't know what the heck. Why did I just do that? When it's a better idea to go all around the area first. You gotta do a perimeter check to make sure everything's fine. I was actually using all of my brain part. I have to keep sneaking up on me. Lad, are you in the pictures? Yeah. Yeah. I really hope I'm just over here. Getting the idea that B team may just be buried here. Yeah, so it's confirmed Fiki vegans in the dirt. I'm about to learn. Alrighty, well, until I can get said shovel.
Chill. Scary. Yup.
Bye. Even spawned into that. Yeah, I know he's like that. Can't do anything about it. Don't need gun escape a little better. Yeah. I don't think they want us here, Jim. A whale! Harley. Hello. Harley. I'm gonna start calling them. Oh no. I died last time doing this. Ammunition. Is that a banjo? Nope. You're attacking me. Oh, beans. That's a chair made out of humans. You know what? I have full faith in myself right now. Yeah. Uh-huh. What about it? What about it? Hey, go ahead. You butt. That was better than I expected. Beans. Now Bob's on the defensive. Now watch out for old Bob. I'm gonna get you. You get Bob now. Oh, beans. Let's get down. Let's go. I gotta get my pack, and then I gotta get. I have a gun. I forgot. I have a gun. Oh, you poor unfortunate souls. I forgot. Can't believe I forgot. Let's open up this pouch. What you got going on inside? I hate the. That's an ear on it. Nice. I have two spindles of wire. I need more spindles of wire. Yeah, you better run. Up. There is no way. What are you trying to use against me, buddy? That's it. You trying to kill me with a fucking motorboat, dude? Your effigies suck. Look. Oh, I can sit on butt cheeks. That's something. Oh. Sit down. Boogity boogity boogity. Look at this code here. You're a happy man. He's a happy man. I had a sneeze. That's why. Jump. Shh. That's on this thing. I came into this day with no thing. We equipped a gun. Hello? Scary naked people? Oh man, I hear a lot of water. Ta-da! Okay, yeah, this bullets help me much. Yes, I get it. So, you get my weapon first, yeah? Beans. Please don't let that be my death. Well, that's it. Hey, thanks for stopping by. If you liked the video, please drop a like, comment if you'd like to say something, or if I, as I said in the beginning, mispronounce something, just let me know. Leave a subscribe if you want to see more videos in the future. Thank you, and keep it kooky.